When you think about a career in welding, what do you imagine? Maybe a job that's low paying, manly, and full of rough work environments? Well, believe it or not, welding is actually a diverse profession full of opportunities that can lead you around the world. This is because a welder is someone who can give special attention to detail. They're dependable, adaptable, independent, and love innovation. Yep, innovation. From skyscrapers to underwater ocean, robotics to automated vehicles, welders are a part of building just about everything for the next generation in our country. Welding is part of the manufacturing industry, and jobs are in demand. Employers are looking for skilled workers who they can trust to get the job done. Depending on your experience, you can make between $30,000 and $68,000 a year. To get started, you'll need a solid professional training in welding technology. Butler Tech can get you started for free. With the help of Butler Tech's Welding Technology program, you can succeed in a manufacturing technologies career.
I'm James Drake, and this is Welding at Butler Tech. In welding, we learn all of the different metal transfers and arc types. A couple of the different joints that we do here are the lap joint, like this. You have your outside corner joint right here, your butt joint, which is put a space in between two pieces of metal, and you just weld the gap.
In welding technology, you'll spend a portion of your day in academic classes, giving you the opportunity to earn high school and college credits for free. The other portion of your day will be career training. In the Welding Technology program, you'll gain confidence as you gain skills. Junior and senior year, you will learn the fundamentals of metal fabrication, blueprint reading, and safety regulations. And you'll get hands-on experience using state-of-the-art, industry-standard equipment as you learn to weld and cut like a pro. When you successfully complete the program, you'll be prepared to accomplish all certifications. After high school, you're ready to enter the workforce as a fitter or welding tech. You can continue your education in a trade school or in an apprenticeship program, or apply your credits to a college degree to gain even more responsibility and even greater earnings potential. So, can you see yourself in a field working with your hands, joining metal to metal, and innovating ways to build our communities? Well, discover welding technology at Butler Tech and pursue a career that's right for you.